All right. Problem number 4. Last problem of like the quote unquote starter problems. Here, this is the third way you can see these angles being formed outside of the circle. Instead of secants, here we have two tangents. We have segments that only touch the circle once, okay? But they still meet outside the circle, and they still form this angle. It doesn't matter which types of segments you have, so long as the angle is outside of the circle, so long as it's outside of this circle, it's going to follow this theorem, this relationship. So let's see what we got here. I know my outside angle is 35 degrees, and that comes from taking the big arc, right? My tangent is creating an arc from A to the other tangent B, and that we have as x, and it's also creating another arc from A to B, but the minor one, right? This is the major, it's the big one, and then the little one is 145, is what they tell us, minus 145. And I know if I take the average, that's why I'm dividing by 2, of the difference of these arcs, that will give me this outside angle. I'm looking for this big arc, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. You know what, I'll do it like that. If I multiply my right side by 2, I can multiply my left side by 2 and preserve equality. So 2 times 35 is 70. That equals x minus 145. I'm going to add 145 to both sides to isolate my variable. What's that, 215? 215 equals x. And if I wanted to, I could check my solution. I could do 215 take away that 145, and then if I were to divide that by 2, I should expect to get 35, which in fact I do. Great.